do conventional agriculture. And, you know,
Mm.
not only would it save money for the farmer, it would also mean that our plants would be so much more nutritious if we had these creatures present, you know. And look at this. This is a rotifer. So these are like, honestly, to me, they are the most fascinating just because of the way they look and the way they feed. Once again, they've got these rotors and all the bacteria is being sucked into, see how there's that movement of bacteria going into its mouth. So these are such crazy creatures. And once again, they love when there's not too much oxygen. So if you do have them in your compost or in your worm farm, it often means there's too much, or in the soil, there's often too much moisture that's not getting absorbed, or yeah, it needs to sort of be balanced. So anaerobic soils will often have rotifers, but the good thing is they're there to clean up the excess bacteria. And the whole idea of having fungi and bacteria in specific ratios in the soil means that when that ratio is achieved at a specific, that is specific, it actually chooses the plants that will grow. So by studying the biomass of bacteria and fungi, we actually can assess what plants can grow in that soil and what it can't grow. And so right now we're trying to grow, you know, in very dead soils, because 2/3 of our soils are gone from the earth. And I mean, like, they're not alive anymore. So they're just dirt, they're dead without these creatures. So if we start, if we don't stop, we will run out of food, because that's just the nature of things. You know, nitrogen
Mhm.
fertilizer is expensive to produce, super expensive, super energy intensive.